Professor destroyed by her own slide. When diversity and quotas backfire in class B-Me 21. Business administration major, sociology minor 4th year, basically living in seminars. Now every single lecture is the same sermon. Women good men, bad equity equals innovation. Professor today is one of my favs. She doesn't lecture. She preaches women-led firms outperform men. Diversity is efficiency. Collaboration beats competition. I'm scribbling notes like gospel look left. My girlfriend's grinning, whispering, finally, like it's a prophecy. Look back. Guys rolling eyes, arms crossed, muttering fucking dinosaurs. Their time is up. Prof keeps flowing. Women bring balance, empathy. Men just chase short-term greed. The back row gets louder. Collaboration equals endless meetings. Diverse solutions equals lowering standards. One guy even chuckles out loud. My friend snaps, "Do you mind?" Like she's gonna bite. Prof turns, eyebrow raised. "Since you have commentary, care to share?" Dude doesn't flinch. "Sure. You keep saying women-led firms outperform. Based on what?" "Everything I've seen says quotas drop productivity." Room goes silent. I'm waiting for Prof to nuke him with data. She smiles thin, like she's been waiting. "You're oversimplifying. The literature is clear. Equity boosts resilience. Men chase quick wins." He leans in, calm as hell. "Sounds nice, but that's theory. Where's proof? Real firms run on results, not feelings." Class turning into a tennis match, eyes bouncing. Prof sighs, clicks next slide, and then it happens cold. Blunt stat on the projector, systematic review. 20+ studies, gender quotas decrease performance on average. Room fucking freezes, pen stops, mid-word. My stomach drops. Prof looks like she just got sucker punched, thin smile faltering, whispers something to herself like, "How did this get in here?" Tries to recover, taps marker too hard. Squeak echoes. Context. "We'll pause here for today, class." Dismissed early, half the room buzzing, half awkward. Silent outside by water fountain. Me and girls seething. He totally derailed it. Yeah, he lives for drama. We sip water like poison, stare at the door, hoping Prof will reemerge with the real truth. Meanwhile, guys huddled calm by stairs, mumbling, sample bias, opportunity cost, composition, like robots eye roll. XC lunchtime. Cafeteria debate round 2. We pile into booth like resistance fighters brainstorm cope. Maybe study looked at old firms. Maybe wrong metrics. Maybe funded by patriarchy. Stab grape with fork. Rage chew guy at next table. Doesn't even look up. If it's common sense, why does the data say otherwise? Friend shoots back because men sabotage on purpose. He glances up, deadpan. "So it's our fault you underperform?" Another girl blurts, "Women bring empathy," guy shrugs. "Empathy doesn't ship products." Table goes silent. My soda suddenly heavy burn. XC next class. Prof walks in stiff. Like she didn't sleep. Drops bomb. Trading simulation. $100,000 virtual portfolio. 2 weeks, grow it. Boys versus girls challenge girls buzzing. Finally a chance to prove women greater than men. We huddle no reckless trading ethical firms, only values. Driven growth pick renewable energy. Fair trade coffee. Diversity startup. Feel like Avengers guys across the room laughing, mumbling defense, tech monopoly, oil rebound. Disgusting week 1, our renewable stock jumps 6%. We cheer like World Cup win. Prof nods approvingly. We beam, guys? Calm as ever week 2, our diversity startup tanks. One girl suggests selling. I snap, "No, that's panic trading. That's what men do." She mutters, "Yeah, but men are winning." Nervous laugh, but she's right. Final day, results flash us. 92,430 them. $138,670 room erupts. Guys high five like NBA champs. We sit frozen, faces on fire. Prof coughs. "This doesn't prove anything." Cope. XE downloading guys smirking. One leans across aisle. "Funny how empathy didn't stop your portfolio bleeding." Class laughing girls, booth implodes. arguing whose pick ruined it. I slam notebook, congrats, you won capitalism. Exactly what men are good at, exploiting everyone. They just grin wider dagger, ex-prof tries to save face. No single exercise is perfect. Let's do round two, startups, judged on feasibility crowd buzzing. Half the campus shows up Aurora Futures, our team, versus Team Merit, them. We waste hours debating logo colors, mission statement, compassion-driven growth. Guys quietly divide tasks, whiteboard filling with numbers. We roll our eyes robotic, no real teamwork. But deep down I see it. Presentation day, lecture hall packed, phones recording, we go first. Pastel slides, happy stock photos, mission statement about people greater profits get polite applause. Guys go next. No fluff, just revenue projections, supply chains, cost breakdowns. Judges leaning forward during Q&A. They hit scaling and budget cuts like bosses we answer, with word salad about community-driven engagement. Judges stop writing scores. Aurora 61, Team Merit 94 room explodes louder than last time. Half laughing, half gasping. Scoreboard on screen like a guillotine girls booth detonates, blaming each other, claiming judges. Sexist, one of the judges is a woman shaking her head with notes. Copium not strong enough, prof stapled smile muttering, numbers don't capture broader value, crowd whispers anyway. Walk out with heat crawling up my neck, see challenger guy by the door, backpack slung cool march up. Snap proud of yourself? He blinks calm. For what? For humiliating women in front of everyone. That's not what happened. I laugh bitter. Please, you think you're prophet now. He just shrugs. Men and women aren't the same. Different strengths. The problem is you want equal outcomes, not equal opportunity. Jaw tight, nails digging skin. So men always on top, huh? No. Men push harder in certain ways. Women excel in others. Difference doesn't mean less. Second guy walks up. Jason smirks. This a post-game interview? I groan. Oh, great, 2-on-1. He says, look, sprinter versus marathon runner. Different races, different strengths. Doesn't mean one is useless. Stomach twists. Part of me almost gets it. Shove it down fast. Scowl, cute metaphor. Still excuses for patriarchy. Challenger just says, no shame in being great at different things. Shame is denying results. They walk off. I stand frozen, notebook heavy, heat buzzing, muttering to myself, yeah, typical men, dressing up privilege as wisdom, heels clicking too loud on tile as I stomp the other way, Cope.X running on fumes.